and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, the thumbnail and this parcel, today I will be opening my Sephora order. I haven't done a haul in a very long time, but as you can tell, I am really excited about the fact that we have a Sephora in the UK, and that is purely because a lot of products that I've always wanted to test out are Sephora exclusives, and I have them in this parcel. I'm just like so excited. Please do watch because I need some of your feedback. I got a lot of foundations and I need you to tell me which one to try out first. So without further ado, if you would like to see what I got from Sephora, then all you have to do is keep on watching. Let's open her up. It opens outright. What? That was a complete fail because I pulled on the wrong tab. What is going on? Why is this so terrible? Look, there's a tab and it's coming off beautifully. I hate when I do things wrong. Oh, Sephora. Yeah. I have my invoice and I didn't get that much, to be honest, because the things that I got were kind of expensive. What's this? Okay, the first thing I need to open is this because I don't remember ordering this. Did I get like oh, I think I might have. I think there was like an offer. If you spend over £150, you get like Sephora goodie bag. Loving that. So I'm going to actually start off with that. Ooh, oh. Okay, no, I'm doing this last because there's so many things in here, you guys. Okay, I'm so excited. It feels like Christmas again. So the things that I definitely got and paid money for were something that I'm super excited that I will be able to replace is the Perfect Strokes Matte Liquid Liner in Black from Rare Beauty. I absolutely love this liner. This is my absolute favorite liner. This is my old one and I still use it really. This has lasted me over 2 years and it still kind of works. You can tell it's running out, but I absolutely love it. It's so good. And to be honest, when I reviewed it, I was like, yeah, it's just, you know, a liner, pretty good. It's the actual brush seems pretty thick at first, but it's got the most beautiful like paintbrush point. It's wonderful. And now the rest are pretty much like complexion products, because you know how I love complexion products. So something again that I've been talking about for ages, something that I really wanted to try is the Turn Up the Base BBB Cream Beauty Blur Balm. Basically a foundation from One Size, which is Patrick Starr's brand. I did do the whole shebang with the quizzes, with the tones and stuff like that, and I ended up with Light 3 Neutral. I will take it out the packaging just to show you guys. Obviously I'm not doing a wear test today, but this is what it looks like. It's a squeezy tube. It actually really reminds me of like Rimmel's red color scheme, but obviously this is way more expensive. How much did I actually pay for this? By the way, the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes Matte Liquid Liner is £17, but it's worth every penny in my opinion. Turn Up the Base Blurring Foundation is £35, so it is not cheap, you guys. Trust, I will be brutally honest in my review, as I always am. The second thing that I got, I think it's the same collection, Turn Up the Base Butter Silk Concealer. And again, the website does match you to certain shades. I'm not gonna lie, the concealer looks a little light, but we shall see. Maybe it goes a little dark when it sets. And last thing from One Size, this is the Ultimate Setting Powder. The mini ultimate blurring setting powder is £17. The reason why I bought the mini version is because if I don't like the the regular sized version, that's a lot of money wasted, and I'm glad they sell it in a miniature sort of travel size. The concealer is £28, which is OMG so expensive for a concealer, like nearly £30 for a concealer. Let me know down in the comments below, would you want me to test the product as a range? I usually prefer to test out the foundation by itself, because a lot of the times if you do the whole thing, the whole collection, you don't often know which product goes wrong. But please let me know if you would like to see it as a collection, just one video. Let me know and I shall do that. I did get a Sephora Best Skin Ever foundation because I was intrigued by what it was described as. I can't remember the description now, but it was literally something like super full coverage, but it looks like skin, but it's just absolutely amazing. I got sucked in and wanted to try it, so the advertisement worked. And this foundation costs £17.99, which in comparison to the other foundations that I bought seems kind of affordable, because the one size was £35 and the next foundation is not cheap either. I got myself the Tarte Double Duty Beauty, the face tape, a very famous sort of sister to the Shape Tape. The concealer, I'm not like mind blown by the concealer. It's good, don't get me wrong, but I didn't get the hype. I mean, it was hard for me to get in the UK anyway, because the customs and shipping, and I've already made a mistake of ordering off Tarte's website to get it shipped to the UK. Never making that mistake again, especially now we have a Sephora in the UK. This foundation cost £36. So it better, give me children, raise them and send them to college. Don't get me wrong, it looks cute. It looks like a huge bottle of Shape Tape, but it's definitely not. It's a foundation and I'm looking forward to trying this. Okay, and that is all. That is all the things that I bought, but unfortunately and fortunately at the same time, all this together was over £150.99. That's how much I paid, because nobody is going to charge me for shipping, especially if I'm getting a goodie bag if I spent a lot of money. So they always get me with those, by the way. If it says spend £200 and you will get a goodie bag worth 70 quid and you'll get a lot of things that you probably won't use, I am still getting it. Okay, I might end up doing a giveaway in this video because, as always, I'm getting a lot of stuff that I probably won't use. So, thing that didn't fit in this bag right here, the goodie bag, is the aromatherapy, and I can smell it already, lavender. I love it. It's already going all over my body tonight. De-stressing muscle gel, focusing and soothing. The next thing, a big thing, Vida Glow natural marine collagen. What are these? This is something you drink. Woo! I didn't think you would get something like that. Blend one sachet into 250-600 ml of water or food beverage of choice. Oh, some drinkaroonies. I'm intrigued by that. I've had this not that long ago. The Ordinary niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. Yeah, let's do a cheeky giveaway video. Do you want any of these? I have now, including this bottle, 3 of these. so I don't need that. The Glow Toner, niacinamide. People are liking niacinamide lately. Pore tightening peptide exfoliator, blah blah blah. From Charlotte Tilbury, a Glow Toner from Charlotte Tilbury. A tiny little bottle. How much is in there? 5 ml. But it's cute, and we know how expensive Charlotte Tilbury can be. The multi-action super shrink pore minimizing serum from, oh god, Streverstinham. Try and read that, I dare you. What? Anyway, a pore tightening serum. There's a lot of things in here. I have the smoothing body lotion with 10% AHA. Interesting. I have never heard of AHA being in body lotions. By the way, that was from First Aid. This is from First Aid, the body lotion. We have the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray from This Works. I really like this. This is a tiny little bottle. What else? We have the No Rinse Cleansing Water. Always rinse. Don't care what it is. Effectively removes impurities and softens the face and diaper area. Apply with a cotton pad to clean. No rinsing needed. I'm not entirely sure what this actually is. This smells like baby wipes, and it makes me think of, if you want to be sort of eco-friendly, because it's in a plastic bottle, and it's got that sort of film on. If you want to be eco-friendly but don't want to use like actual baby wipes, because they take ages to decompose, but you want that sort of baby smell, clean baby kind of smell. I don't know, that's what it makes me think of. Maybe I'm wrong. Anyway, we have a Rhodial Vitamin C Papaya Enzyme Scrub. Oh yes, I love me a scrub, and because it's papaya, we know it's going to smell delicious. 10% niacinamide night mask, vitamin B. What did I say? There's literally like niacinamide in half of these products. People are going crazy with niacinamide. I'm kind of getting the feeling it's going to be blue. Ooh, I like that. It looks like a gel. We have the... What's with niacinamide and papaya? Elmis Papaya Enzyme Peel. What is going on? We have a theme. And one last thing. We've had this last time and I was obsessing with the smell. They must have had so many like things over after the brands have sent them a lot of like minis to put in the advent calendar. That's the vibe that I'm getting. This is the Molten Brown Heavenly Ginger Lily Bath and Shower Gel. Why does this one smell different? Or does it? I don't know. I like this one as well. I'm looking forward to trying out the products. Please let me know down in the comments below which one of these foundations you would like to see first. Is it the face tape, the one size, or the Sephora one? Do you want the one size products to be all in one video or separate, like a concealer and powder separate to the foundation? Because that would be my preferred way, but I completely get if you want it all in one video. I will do a giveaway. I don't know which products I'm going to give away, but this video has been super long. I haven't even had breakfast yet, so I need to wrap it up. You will get at least 5 products, trust me. I will leave all the details on how to enter and rules, what have you, down in the description below, so please check those out, and if you want to be entered the giveaway, make sure you follow them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed that. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Do not forget to enter the giveaway. And thank you so much for watching. You are the best.